Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to discuss another chapter of Hornbill book, class 11th English, and the name of the chapter is The Browning Version by Terence Rattigan. This chapter is a short extract from the play The Browning Version written by Terence Rattigan. So it is a short extract from the play The Browning Version. Written by Terence Rattigan. Terence Rattigan was a British dramatist and screenwriter. The scene of this play, which is an extract, is set in the school. Now, let us have a look at the characters. Here we have four characters. Number first is Mr. Croker Harris. So number first character is Mr. Croker Harris. He is a middle-aged teacher. He is a middle-aged teacher. He is very strict and has strong hold over his students. So he is strict and has strong hold over his students. Number second character is Mr. Frank. He is a young science teacher. Mr. Frank is a young science teacher. Both of them, that is Mr. Croker Harris and Mr. Frank, they belong to the same school. Number third is Mrs. Melly Croker Harris. She is the wife of Mr. Croker Harris and she is in her late 30s. She is the wife of Mr. Croker Harris. And she is in her late 30s. And number fourth is Taplow. Taplow is a boy of 16. Taplow is a boy of 16. He presents his views about his teacher, that is Mr. Croker Harris, in a frank and straightforward manner. Frank and straightforward manner. He is respectful towards him and likes him, although being much afraid of him. Now, let's have a look at the summary of this play, the Browning Version, which is actually an extract. The scene of the play is set in a school where Taplow arrives to do extra work on the last day for Mr. Croker Harris. He has been detained by his teacher to compensate for his one day's absence. He is waiting for his teacher. That means Taplow is waiting for his teacher and Mr. Croker Harris is his teacher who has not yet arrived. There is another teacher in the school. His name is Mr. Frank, and we know he is very young and he is science teacher. He finds Steplo waiting in the room and they both engage in a conversation. Steplo informs Mr. Frank that he is a student in the lower 5th grade. Now we shall discuss the remaining part in the next video. Thank you.